Baby First. Click the subscribe button below.
Who's that hiding from the sun? It's Gaga! Hello, Gaga! It's ice cream time! Yum, yummy! Do you want some ice cream, Gaga? Who wants some ice cream? Look at that yummy ice cream! Harry is serving ice cream to GooGoo and Gigs. Yum, 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 yum! GooGoo has got some green ice cream. Gaga loves ice cream. Gaga wants to eat some ice cream too. Gaga is going to join her friends at the ice cream stand. Gaga has got an empty ice cream cone. What happened? Something is stopping Gaga. Gaga can't get to the ice cream. What is it? Oh, it's a big glass wall. It's so hot on the beach and Gaga wants ice cream. Gaga's friends are eating ice cream, but they can't hear her through the glass wall. Push, Gaga, push. It looks so yummy, but no one can hear her. Gaga's got an idea. Gaga's going to jump over the wall. Jump! Oh, the wall is too high. So what are you going to do, Gaga? All that ice cream and you just can't get to it. Gaga's got to think of an idea. Think, Gaga, think. You've got an idea? What are you going to do? It looks like Gaga is going to build a sandcastle so she can climb up over the wall. Fill it up with sand. Good, Gaga, good. Maybe this way you'll be able to get to the ice cream. Get ready, everybody. Gaga's coming. Okay, pull it up. Oh no. The sand is too soft to build a sandcastle. That idea didn't work, did it? What are you going to do now? A ladder! That's a good idea, Gaga. Climb up over the wall. Up you go. Up, up, up. Yes, you're nearly over. Whoa, whoa. It's so high. You're getting dizzy? It's too high to jump down, isn't it, Gaga? You better climb back down. Gaga has got another idea. A ball! Yeah! Try and bounce over the wall. Well done, Gaga. You've got so many great ideas today. Bounce higher. A little higher. Nearly. No, the wall is too high. How are you going to make your friends hear you? You've got another idea? A bubble shooter? What are you going to do with a bubble shooter? Gaga is shooting bubbles over the wall. It's raining bubbles. Gaga is trying to call her friends with the bubbles. Look at all these bubbles. Where are they coming from? It's working, Gaga. Carry on. Shoot the bubbles over the wall.
Hey guys, there's Gaga. Looks like Gaga wants to play with us with bubbles.
Yay, Gaga! Well done. They saw you at last. Your friends can see you.
Let's get our bubble shooters and play with Gaga.
Yes, I want to play with Gaga.
GooGoo wants to play with Gaga too.
Lots of bubbles. Let's cover Gaga with bubbles.
Uh-oh, Gaga's friends think she wants to play, but Gaga wants help to get over the wall and have some ice cream. Hey everyone, don't you see that there's a glass wall there?
Oh, where did Gaga go? I can't see her.
Look, guys. guys, there's a wall. Let's see if Gaga's on the other side.
Harry is wiping the bubbles away. There's Gaga on the other side. Look, she wants some ice cream.
Oh, Gaga, can't you hear us? What are you doing over there?
They can't hear each other through the glass.
Gaga, can you hear me? Which flavor of ice cream do you want?
Ooh, Gaga has got to choose which ice cream she wants. The red one, purple, green, blue. Gaga wants the blue ice cream. Yummy. Gigs is preparing some blue ice cream for Gaga. Yum, yum, yum.
Here's your ice cream, Gaga. It looks really good.
Your friends made you ice cream, Gaga. But how are you going to get to it? The glass is still in the way. It won't move.
Okay, guys, we have got to think of an idea how to help Gaga get her ice cream. Let's dig a tunnel in the sand with the ice cream spoon. Oh no, the sand is too soft. The hole keeps filling up again. I'm sorry, Gaga.
Gaga's friends really want to help her get her ice cream. Don't give up, Harry. Think of another idea. GooGoo's got an idea. What are you going to do, GooGoo? What are you doing with those ice cream cones? Look, Gaga, GooGoo has built some stairs. Are you going to climb up those stairs, GooGoo? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, GooGoo, don't fall. Oh, GooGoo fell down. That was fun. All the ice cream cones crumbled. But Gaga still hasn't gotten her ice cream. What is she going to do?
I've got an idea. Let's float over the wall with the balloons.
La 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 la. Let's take this balloon and
Ooh, Harry is floating in the air with the balloon. He's going over the wall.
Let's float over to Gaga's side. Let's float over to Gaga's side. Whee!
And there goes Gigs. Gigs is also floating over the wall to Gaga's side. But what about the ice cream? Gaga didn't get any ice cream. GooGoo's remembered the ice cream. But how are you going to carry it to Gaga, GooGoo? GooGoo is floating over with the ice cream. Oh, but the ice cream might be too heavy for the balloon to carry. Oh no. Will GooGoo be able to get it over? Yay! He did it! GooGoo did it! GooGoo got the ice cream over the wall. What wonderful friends you have, Gaga.
yum! That looks really tasty, Gaga. I hope you liked your ice cream.
Gaga is very happy. Now she's also got some ice cream.
Red.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little crayons jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more crayons jumping on the bed. Yellow.
1, 2, 3. 3 little crayons jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor
Blue.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am.
Green.
How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Red.
Sister finger, where
Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple.
Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Hey, do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.